Hey, is your mobile data not working on your Pixel 7 Pro or other Pixel models? No internet even though signal is full. Let's fix it with some easy and quick solutions. Solution 1. Airplane mode refresh. Swipe down from the top, turn airplane mode on. Wait 10 seconds, turn it off again. Now check if mobile data starts working. This forces the phone to reconnect to the nearest tower. Solution 2. Reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your phone completely. Remove the SIM tray using the eject tool. Take the SIM card out. Gently clean it with a dry cloth. Insert it back properly. Turn the phone on again. Now test mobile data. Solution 3. Reset network settings. If it's still not working, go to settings, tap system, tap reset options, tap reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Tap reset settings and confirm. This will not delete your photos or apps, it only resets network configuration. After restart, turn on mobile data and test again. And boom! Hope this issue is solved. Now your Pixel phone mobile data should be working. Comment your carrier name. If it's still not fixed, I will give you a quick solution again. And if this worked, please like and subscribe our channel and share with your friends who are facing the same issues. Thanks for watching.